This is logarithm question number 2. Given that log base 8 x power of 3 equals to log base 4 u, express u in terms of x, which means we have to make u the subject, right? And the 8 can be expressed into 2 cubed, 4 can be expressed into 2 squared, right? So we make everything into log base 2. Let's start the question. We've changed base rule, we change it into base 2, and there's a base 2 as well. Log base 2, 4 over log base 2, 4. No, this is u. Okay, so now we change it into 2 cube and 2 square. Cube divided by log 2 cube equals to log 2 u divided by log 2 square. The cube over here can be pulled out, become multiply, and the 2 as well. So x cube divided by 2 multiplied by log 2, sorry, it's 3 multiplied by log base 2, 2. This is equals to 1. And next, log base 2 u divided by 2 multiplied by log base 2, 2. And this is also 1. Alright, now we have log base 2 x cubed divided by 3. So I can change it into 1 over 3. Multiply with the log base 2 x cubed. Same applies to here. And we do the same thing but over here, but we move it back to the power. So this one move back to here. And this 1 over 3, if you move it over here, right, it will be multiplied with 3. So you'll get this 3 multiplied with 1 over 3 equals to log base 2 u 1 over 2. Now we have log base 2 this and log base 2 this. So we know that this part is equals to this part. Alright, so x, this is 1 equals to u 1 over 2. When you move 1 over 2 to the other side, you flip it upside down, so it becomes 2 over 1, which is square. So u is equals to x squared. Question 1 done. Now let's look at the question 2a II. Find the value of x for which log base 4 x squared plus 5x minus log base 8 x cubed minus 1 over log base 3 and 4. So let's do it now. Minus log base 8 x cubed equals to 1 over log base 3, 4. The base is the same as the previous one, like 4 and 8, which can be expressed into 2 square and 2 cube. This one, so let's try to make it all log base 2. So I will change the base as well, become log base 2. See what we can do. So log base 2 is square plus, with the change base rule, we get this over log base 2, 4 minus log base 2 is cubed divided by log base 2, 8 equals to let me move over a bit, equals to 1 over, this one will be log base 2, 4 divided by log base 2, 3. Alright. So this one will give you a 2 square, 2 cube. Okay. The next step will be this. Let me draw a line. So I have the square, I have move it out. I skip one step. This is 1. Okay, and minus cube 3 log 2, 2. Right, it is supposed to be a 2 cube, but I move it out. I skip one step as well. So this is 1 equals to, for this one, if I do it the normal way, it would be like this: 2, 4 divided by log base 2, 3, right? Divide, right? If you divide a fraction, you need to flip it upside down, and later I will change it. So for this part, right, I will get log base 2, 3 over log base 2, 4. Alright, this one can be changed to 2 square. So I will have a 2 here, and this one become 1. I will do it later. So this one will be 1 over 2 this whole thing divided by 2, right? So 1 over 2 multiplied with this. Log base x squared, plus 5x minus 1 over 3 log base 2 x cubed. Okay, so the 1 over 2, you can put it over here, become power. So 1 over 3 as well. Alright, multiply with this, you get 1. So now we get this x squared plus 5x 1 over 2 minus log base 2x, this is 1 now, equals to log base 2 3 divided by, what I've done here is this is supposed to be 2 square, which is the 4, 2 square, but I bring the square over, so 2 is in front. Now this is 1. So this is 1 over 2, and here I will get 1 over 2 for this, which is this. By right, 1 over 2 is over here, but I bring over to the power, so I'll get this. And for the left hand side, sorry, I forgot the base 2. Yeah. When you have a log base 2 minus with the other logarithm with the same base, when the base are the same, right? What you can do for this minus, right, is you can combine them into 1 and this divided by x. We call it subtraction rule. So I can express into this x squared plus 5x 1 over 2 divided by x. Okay, so this is what I can get. Let me change a pen. So now we know that this is log 2 and log 2. So this is equals to this, right? X squared plus 5x 1 over 2 over x equals to 3 1 over 2. What I can do now is I square both sides. So I square this part and I square this part. Then I will have 3 equals to x squared plus 5x. This one multiplied with this, so I get 1, and this 2 I have to bring over here as well, so I will have x squared. So x squared plus 5x equals to 3x squared. So the answer will be 2x squared equals to 0 minus 5x. I bring this over minus, so I get 2x squared equals to x 2x minus 5. So x is either 0 or 5 over 2. Okay, so we are done with this question 2aii. Alright, now let's go to the 2b. Solve the equation. This is the equation. Alright, let's try. So 2b ey multiplied by ey minus 2 equals to 15. So when I try to multiply it, I try to expand it. I will have this minus 2ey. This is a multiply equals to 15 because I need to bring it to both. Okay, if I see this right, I know that this one will be something square. This one will be another thing over here, right, which is the same. So I will let ey equals to x so I can see everything clearer. So x minus 2x equals to 15. So x squared minus 2x equals to 15. X squared minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. Now we have to do factorization. X minus 5, this one is plus 3. Yep. So x is equals to minus 3 or 5. But we haven't done yet. Solve this equation, right? So we have to solve for the y. We know the x is equals to ey, so ey is equals to negative 3, ey is equals to 5. So 2 to answer. But for this one, if we move the e over, right, I will have a logarithm over here, so y equals to ln negative 3. This one cannot be solved, so we can reject this answer. Reject. Alright. These are undefined. So for this part, it will be y equals to ln 5. By pressing calculator, we get 60944. So change it into 3 significant. No, this is not 3 significant. It equals to 1.61. Okay. Yeah, this is 3 significant figure. That's it.